Well, even as Dinesh Trivedi has backtracked from his comments suggesting that TMC would be happy to have midterm polls, the debate still rages on. Now the BJP and the Third Front, fueling further speculation, say the time for midterm polls has arrived and it would be the Congress's own doing if one of their allies walks away.
A day after this man's comments triggered speculations about midterm polls, Dinesh Trivedi does a complete U-turn.
This has nothing to do either as far as my party is concerned. It has nothing to do as far as me as a minister is concerned. I personally feel Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the best Prime Minister the country has seen.
For Congress, that is smarting after the assembly poll results. Dinesh Trivedi's comments expressing delight at speculation of midterm polls has only added insult to the injury. A comment from the ally has only added to the raging nationwide debate.
In Raebareli, 10 out of 10 assembly seats has gone against the Congress, and also the same but a lower proportion in the Amethi seat. Now many of the allies of the Congress party are thinking that Congress party is a millstone around their neck.
Now even the BJP sounding a warning to the Congress-led UPA government, saying that a midterm poll will be their own doing.
See, midterm poll will happen, if at all, because of the misdeeds of Congress more than anything else, because none of those major issues which are affecting the economy are not taken care of. Then one of the allies is going to walk out, and that is what is going to be the cause of midterm poll, not because BJP wants it or anybody else wants it.
But the Congress still on the defensive, downplaying any reports of ally trouble staring at the ruling UPA.
You should let sleeping dogs lie, because there is not going to be a midterm election, no matter how much media is expecting or hoping. You need to take the opinion of the people who have been elected to Parliament.
The humiliation at the hustings, the challenge of getting its presidential nominee elected, and now speculation of a midterm poll from its most difficult ally. The stage is set for some rough weather in the budget session for an already peak UPA. Bureau Report, Times Now.